Hey guys, Mike here. You'll never guess where I am. I'm in Sydney, Australia. I know. And I haven't seen too many trucks, but we're also right downtown. But I spy a K100. I think. I could be wrong, but well, actually I don't know that it's a K100. It's probably a K220, and there's little flies around here. It's driving me nuts. There's an Isuzu Cabover. And then up here, look at that. It is a K108. How wicked is that? A K108! Yeah, buddy. Looks like they're building. Kind of love the full fenders. Probably not allowed to just wander over there, so we're gonna carry on walking and see what else I can find. But there it is. First K108 I've seen in Australia.